Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm back with another unboxing and this time I have Acid Eye True Wireless Earphone named at X2T. So now here's the box and it is mentioned Acid Eye branding. This is the render image and these are the two earphones. And it is mentioned True Wireless So Free. It has a 150 mAh charging dock. And here are the specifications. It has a Bluetooth 4.2 and it can be connected with two devices at the same time. So now, without any further delay, let's get started. So yeah, it comes with a warranty card, mention customer center number. So it is the charging dock and it powers just two earphones. So let's see what's inside the box other than this. So first we can see a carry pouch,
micro USB charging wire, and some extra ear tips including small, medium and the one included in it. So let's start.
Oh, it looks like a tank built with metal.
And here are the connectors, magnetic points. You can see that. The earphones, these go inside it like that.
And also these don't fall out.
Connector pins, magnetic connector pins to the charging dock, and it starts charging. This charging dock has a micro USB charging port. So now let's try it. So yeah guys, let's try powering it on.
We'll just plug the case with a power USB cable for charging. It charges the dock. The dock has a micro USB port. This dock has a capacity of 150 mAh and this is a battery indicator. It shows the percentage. This dock charges the two earphones and it shows red while charging, and when the charging is complete it shows blue. So now we'll just take out the earphone, and to plug them on, just simultaneously click their both power button, and when the red and blue LED will start blinking, it shows it will now ready to pair. So now let's try with my phone. I'll just power on my Bluetooth. Here it is Bluetooth. Now you have to search for a device named X2T. Just click on X2T and now it will get paired, and now you are ready to go. Overall, I like the base. You can buy it without any hesitation. I recommend this earphone to you. You won't regret it.